3 ingredients that cure clogged arteries, fat in the blood, infections and cold. We don't need medicines to treat all diseases. Some diseases can even treat and easily prevent by using natural ingredients too. If you are looking for something which will treat many health issues like flu, cold, cardiovascular diseases and at the same time keeps you healthy, then you should make yourself a combination of 3 wonderful ingredients to solve all your problems. It is important to keep in your mind that you must compare the benefits provided by this wonderful combination with ingesting them alone. Today, we are going to see German's old remedy that will improve your overall health with 3 ingredients which are nothing but garlic, lemon, ginger and water. Benefits. Garlic. Garlic is considered as one of the healthiest foods on the earth because of its antibacterial, antiviral, antiseptic properties. The compound called allicin in garlic helps your body to be healthy and active. Ginger. Ginger is also loaded with anti-inflammatory and antibacterial compounds such as gingerols, beta-carotene, caffeic acid and curcumin that helps with digestive issues, pain, inflammation and nausea. Lemon. Lemon alkalizes our body and boosts our immune system and even balances our pH levels in the body to prevent certain diseases. This natural drink also helps the arteries from becoming congested, prevents fatigue and even helps to regulate blood fat cells. Consuming this drink on regular basis cleanse your liver and enhance your immune system. Ingredients needed for this wonderful recipe. 2 liters of water. 4 large heads of garlic. Small piece of ginger. 4 lemons. Preparation. First of all, wash the lemon and cut them into slices. Peel the garlic cloves and ginger root and keep them aside. Put all ingredients in the blender and blend them well until you see a thick homogeneous content. Place this mixture in a metal bowl and add 2 liters of water in it. Boil this mixture until it reaches to its boiling point, then remove from the heat and allow it to cool down completely. Now, strain the mixture and fill it in glass bottles. How to drink. Drink a glass of the remedy every day before you eat or drink anything or 2 hours before your meal. If you are not that happy about the garlic, do not worry, the combination of lemon, water and the whole cooking process will neutralize its smell. Shake the bottle before every use, because tiny lemon and garlic pieces tend to fall at the bottom. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe and share this video with your friends and family too.